welcome to our learning space. Have you ever felt like your brain is just a giant storage room filled with random facts that you eventually forget? Well, today we are throwing that idea away. We are not just here to memorize, we are here to build. So, are you ready to stop being a listener and start being a builder? Let's dive into the world of mental models.
The mental model strategy is a teaching method where you help students create a working picture in their minds to explain how something works.
Next, let's discuss how this strategy works.
First, the bridge, or connecting to the known. The teacher introduces a familiar physical object to represent a complex social system. This gives students a mental anchor. Next, the interaction, or active problem solving. Students don't just look at the model, they use it to solve a scenario. The teacher asks, "What if?" to make the students think. Lastly, the discovery, or building the concept. The student uses the model to explain the real world in their own words. They realize that the model helps them predict how people or systems behave.
Now, enough with the definitions. It's time to see this strategy in action. Let's jump into a quick scenario where a simple cup of water makes a very big topic like government corruption easy to see. Okay, everyone, let's pretend that this glass of water is the government, while the water inside is the money used to build our schools and help poor families. While this ink represents corruption, what do you notice about the glass of water? For me, ma'am, I noticed that the water is clear and transparent. Yes, but what happens if the government official steals the money of the people? Now, put some ink in the water. What do you notice? Oh, it's turning dark. Even just a few drops, it makes the whole glass cloudy and murky. Exactly. Once the water is black, it's no longer fit to drink. You can unmix the ink if it's in there. And just like that, the people lose their sight of where the taxes are actually going. And that is the scenario about the government corruption using mental models. Remember, you are not just a student. You are the architect of your own learning. So, go out there and start building your own mental maps. Thank you for joining me in our learning space, and I'll see you again in our next adventure.